Abode brings smart home security to Apple and Android TVs. For those smart homeowners who would like to live stream video from their outdoor security cameras and video doorbells, you have to check what Abode, a DIY smart home security leader, is offering. Abode was one of the first smart home security systems I tested, and I like how their system has evolved over the years. Now the company is expanding its app ecosystem by introducing a fully featured Apple TV app and upgrading its Android TV app. These integrations allow smart home users to turn their TVs into smart displays, offering live views of security cameras and doorbells, easy system control, and seamless home monitoring, right from their big screens. Why this integration is unique? Many smart home users prefer using their smart TVs as security hubs, making monitoring live feeds from cameras and video doorbells easier without additional displays. With Abode's new Apple TV and enhanced Android TV apps, users can arm or disarm their system, view up to 4 live camera streams, access recorded clips, and check device statuses, all from their TV. Key features for Abode users: live video streaming, view up to 4 security cameras simultaneously, seamless control, arm or disarm your security system and check device status, easy access to recorded footage, scrub your timeline or jump to key events, quick actions and smart automation. Use Abode CUE to control connected devices. Secure cloud storage. 24/7 recording available with cloud storage for up to 10 days. Effortless setup. Setting up the Abode TV app is quick and straightforward. Users simply log in via their Apple or Android TV, and within minutes, they can access their security system. The intuitive interface ensures a seamless experience, making home security easier and more accessible than ever. Availability. The Abode Apple and Android TV apps are now available for download in their respective app stores, making enhancing your home security setup easier than ever.